Happy birthday to me. Boom. Bang! You don't know it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple. Thank you for tuning into Jamaican Pineapple TV. You don't know from a city face, you don't need no introduction. Your girl is here. One heap of fun, one heap of excitement, one heap of something. So tune in, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Anyways, did you subscribe? Me I wait. I'm waiting enough now. Did you subscribe? It's not by force, but I would love if you subscribe and come and be a family. Yeah, man. Thanks for the support. Anyways, so let us go back in the past. I celebrated my birthday in Jamaica. It was a lovely, lovely, lovely time. I can't stress it no more. I have a whole heap of fun. The thing turn up. So, anyways, I was in my hotel, wake up on my birthday fresh. You don't know, give thanks for life because I've lived to see the next day. My age come off of the calendar now. So I turn big woman now. Yeah, I'm a big woman now. That's all I wish for as a child. So anyways, as me say, I eat breakfast, go down in the lobby, had a drink, and then while I was sitting down in the lobby, a lady came and she was like, "Are you Pineapple?" And I was like, "Yes, I'm Indian Pineapple or what?" And she was like, "Oh, I have an appointment with you." And I was like, "An appointment?" I didn't book any appointment with nobody. I just wanted to have a stress-free day. A very stress-free day. Sorry about that. I wanted to have a stress-free day. So she was like, "No, we have a photo shoot." And I was like, "Me, photo shoot? Me not pack nothing for no photo shoot. I don't have anything for photo shoot." So she was like, "Yeah, your boyfriend booked a photo shoot for you and I would love if you could go upstairs and get fancy." I mean, I say fancy. Me, me like the skettle things, them. Me like the little skimpy skettle something, them. So I was like, you know what? Me not gonna spoil the day. Let us just carry on. Let us just go on with the groove. So I went upstairs and snapped myself 3 bath suit. 3 bath suit, people. This is 6. 3 bath suit. People, ladies, if you're going to Jamaica or going on vacation for more than 2 weeks or 2 weeks, 3 swimwears is not enough. That was totally failed for me. So anyways, I take the 3 bath suit them me have, and I went downstairs on the beach and we snapped extra amount of pictures. I had like 200 pictures. That was so much for me. Guys, is that not a lot? What do you think? 200 pictures is a lot or not? Comment and tell me what you think. In the space of 2 hours, I was having like 220 pictures, and that was a lot of pictures for me. I've never ever had something like that. And the photo shoot was amazing, but it took so much strength because you have to strike a pose, draw in the belly, you know, looking all fancy and all that. But anyways, it was a nice thing because it was a surprise and I give thanks for it. I love it when people go extra miles for me. It is nice when people go out of their way to get things done for me. I love that because I would do the same for you anyway. So thank you, baby, for that. I loved it. So the photo shoot was over. Then I was like, I have to rest because it took so much strength out of me. So I was upstairs and took a shower because I stand up and wet up and all of that. You know, get myself clean up. And then he was looking at the time. I was like, why is this? Why is he looking at the time? And he was like, you have to get dressed again. And I was like, I have to get dressed again? I was like, get dressed for what? And he said, I have a surprise for you. Just get dressed. Just put on something nice. Get fancy. And as I said before, I love the skettle, something them. And he was like, no skettle clothes. You have to dress fine, look elegant and all of that. And I was like, elegant? Let me see what I have in my suitcase. So I took out the best that I had and dressed up and get all fancy for him. And then I went downstairs. A car was waiting for us.
Damn. It's her birthday, so she took some time. Happy birthday. I'm not gonna stand you home. The first day?
Yeah. The car brought us to the Marguerites. So if you know Montego Bay, the Marguerites is just beside of Margaritaville. beside the Club Margaritaville. It's it's like sisters company. And it's a very, very nice location. It's a very nice restaurant. So I was there. They brought me inside. The location was perfect. It was on point. You can go as well because this is I got it.
How to look at your eyes?
Exactly. Anyways, the service was so lovely. It was so lovely. I've loved everything about that location. I had an amazing time. They popped the champagne for me.
I don't go Omrai.
Uncle Omar.
Omrai.
Oh, Omar.
Omrai.
Omar. What type of name is that?
That's not a Jamaican name, right?
No, it sounds Arabic.
No, my father's middle name is Roy, so what he just added that to it. So it's O-M-R-O-Y. So since it's your birthday, I try to be as professional as possible.
Yeah.
Do you want it to pop or do you want
I would like it to pop.
You would like it
Let's pop it. Let's keep it popping. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's the best thing.
Food was lovely. Everything was lovely. The staff was lovely. Everything was just on point. I had an amazing time. So they brought this menu for me to choose what I want to eat. And in my mind, I was like, see, I just want oxtail and rice and peas. I just need a main course. I don't need no starters and I don't need no stoppers. I know it's not stoppers, but you call it dessert or dessert. I don't even know how to pronounce it because they brought this menu to me and I was like, I can't even pronounce one word there. I don't know. Just give me a main dish. When I don't have no ackee and saltfish, and I don't have no oxtail for me eat. And they were like, no, madam, take a starter. I recommend this and that. I was like, you guys, I know you want to make money from me, but anyways, I won't be knocking your hustle. So I had a 3-course menu. What are you doing? Are you doing a video?
Yes. It's your birthday. Nice one. You look pretty. You look damn pretty. Nice one.
Like this is mango sorbet. It's delicious. It's so intense.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah.
And I loved it. Thank God that I took that because it was teeny beeny whiny, small. The portion wasn't so big, but I enjoyed it and I overate.
So what are you having?
I don't know what this, I can't pronounce the name because he brought me to this itty-titty restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce the words.
Okay, let's see if it tastes good.
I think it's supposed to taste marvelous. It's extremely delicious.
It's good?
Yeah, it's
Nice.
really, I think it's lobster
It's lobster.
and something else. It's really nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Enjoy your meal.
I was hearing music. The place, it was lively. The smell was good. Everything was just jovial. Everything was just amazing. And I was so happy because of everything that took place from the day, from earlier in that day. So I was just thanking him and telling him, thank you so much. It has been a lovely time. I don't know even how to thank you because it's to be honestly, without being biased, yeah. It has been a long time that people don't put me in the front and put themselves behind. You know, it is nice for people to just think about you and your happiness. So I was just overwhelmed by that, just the thought of it, just the thought of him doing all of that because he's not from Jamaica. I don't know how he gets all of this put together, but thank you so much, baby. I've really enjoyed that time. I am so grateful. Elvis is the best. Like, I am like dumbfounded. I can't talk. It's all like I can't even express how I feel right now.
It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. Cheers.
Thank you, man.
Happy birthday.
Oh, is that so,
Oh,
so sweet?
thanks. So now make a wish.
Make a wish.
Oh,
Close your
you
eyes,
do it
make a
out now?
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you
nice
so
one.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You so much.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, even you guys got my name correct. Boom bang. Dinner is finished. So I was like, I went back to the hotel, took off all of that fanciness and just drag on a short. In Jamaica, we say a pum-pum printer. I drag on a pum-pum printer and a crop top and say, let us go in the lobby and get a drink and just have a nice time, you know. Let me just cool down from all of that because it was overwhelming. He has gone out of his way. Bear in mind, he's not a Jamaican. I don't know how he get that reservation. I don't know. I didn't even know that all of this is going to take place. I'm telling you, and I'm so grateful because it's nice when people go out of their way to get for you to be happy. So went upstairs, put on my little skettle clothes, and went to the bar, and I was having a stroll. While I was strolling, I was hearing this noise and music and whole heap of things are going. I was like, they were singing happy birthday. I don't know even that these people knew that I was coming. So they were singing happy birthday, happy birthday. And I was like, who else is having birthday in this hotel? And then I heard my name. And they said, come and dance, Tika, come and dance.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a video, you have to make a video.
Happy birthday to you.
What's the
Happy birthday, your dancehall queen.
Tika!
Happy birthday to you. Come on, clap her. Happy birthday. All right, so I need some more peeps. Hey, you need to dance to this. Come on. Hey. Go to detail. We love you. Hey.
Take it down, just a little bit, just a little bit. I think we have a birthday girl on the stand right about now.
Yeah!
Tika, where you at?
Where are you?
Tika, where you there? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the lady Tika. She's celebrating her birthday. Tika, you don't have to dance to that one there, right? Oh, you have to dance, man. I joke you want to. Yeah, man. Tika, guess what? Your name changed to Miss Tiny Whiny. Alright, so you're gonna whine, right? You ready? So Jesus, she kick off her shoes. Let me see who can beat Tiny Whiny tonight. Are you ready? Let me see if you can beat Tika tonight. Are you ready? Tiny Whiny gets so hot. Fisher Mister. Tiny Whiny gets so hot. She said, mister, give me. I wanna rum. I wanna jam. I wanna. No, can't be Tika. I wanna rumba, mostly soca. I wanna jam. Tiny whiny, whiny bum bum. Tiny whiny, whiny bum bum. Tiny whiny. Whiny bum bum, tiny whiny.
Who is the social clown?
Whiny, Miss Tiny, woman Miss Tiny, tiny whiny.
Nice
It's
one.
so hot. She said, Mister, give me all you got.
You're traumatized.
Tiny whiny. It's so hot. She said, Mr.
Nonsense.
To Africa. Now if you enjoy that, let me hear you say yeah man. Now if you want some more, let me hear you say more. More you want, more you're gonna get. Of course, we are looking for a Congolese.
Went and danced with them. I had a lovely time with the staff, and we danced and we did a lot of lambarina and this and that and whatever. So I enjoyed. It was fully packaged. My birthday was one of the most beautiful time spent 2018. This was one of the best time of my life.
Let's go. What you do?
It's a shame. Who she know? Me say this little girl away, no girl. This little girl is a one. I me say this little girl away, no girl. This little girl is a one.
A video made no come on. Germany talk.
I want a girl can cool and dead like a bomb. She ain't bomb. Yes. Me doesn't love how she water from me a bomb. She bomb.
Everybody in Germany.
Me doesn't love how you.
can't manage the boy. That's
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for all the dancers on the
Tika
floor.
with
Come
the
on.
gotty and she
Give it up
gotty.
for yourself.
Tika with the
wonderful
money.
audience.
My baby father,
Tika with everything.
Have a good night.
Hey,
Enjoy
man,
the
big
rest
up
of
Tika
your night.
again.
God bless.
With the great ear in
Sorry,
her
everybody.
ear.
Thank you so much.
here, me kick you over. So I had a one-on-one with the staffs. I was dancing with them. We were having a lovely time, you know. So while I was having this lovely time, pictures have been taken, videos were making. It was just amazing. It was overwhelmed. You know, in life, that's the only moment that counts. That moment is the greatest because tomorrow is not promised. So that moment I was enjoying every bit down to the Z. I enjoyed it, and that is the most important thing in life, that you have to enjoy your life, because everything that you're doing now, if something is going to happen now, you're going to take it with you. I don't glorify materialistic things. I don't glorify vanity, but I glorify a good heart. I love it. I love when you have fun. I love when you're happy. I love when people are satisfied, because that is when you bring out the best in you. So anyways, guys, I don't want to go in all of that moral talking and whatever. Just tune in for our next episode of Jamaican Pineapple TV, because my birthday is not finished as yet, as I thought it was. So just next week, a next episode of Jamaican Pineapple TV. Me ready if you go on away. Boom, bang.